Good morning students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Students, today we will learn articles. There are two articles in our chapter number 3. These are a and an. We use a or an for singular noun. Students, we write a before the nouns that has consonant sounds, and we use an before the nouns that are begins with vowel sound. Students, do you know how many letters are there in our alphabets? There are 26 letters in our alphabets. In these 26 letters, 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O and U, and 21 consonants. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonants. We use a before the nouns that begins with consonant sounds. Like in this noun, a biscuit, a car, a horse, a sandwich, a bottle, a table, a pencil. All words begins with consonant sound. Like in this word B has a consonant sound. In this word C has a consonant sound K. In this word horse, H comes in consonant. Sandwich, its beginning letter is S and it is a consonant. As it is, in this word B is a consonant. Table start with letter T and T is a consonant. Pencil, its beginning letter is P and P is a consonant. Students, now look at vowels. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. We use an before the words, before the nouns that begins with vowel, like an elephant. In this word, in this noun, its beginning letter is E and E comes in vowel. An egg. In this word, its beginning letter is E and E comes in vowel. Now look at this word. This word begins with O and O comes in vowel sound. As it is ant, its beginning letter is A and A comes in vowel sound. Umbrella. Its beginning letter is U and U comes in vowel sound. As it is apple. Its beginning letter is A and A comes in vowel sound. As it is orange. Its beginning letter is O and O comes in vowel sound. So we can say like this: an elephant, an egg, an ice cream, an owl, an ant, an umbrella, an apple, an orange, an elephant. Now students, look at these words. Both words begin with H and H comes in consonant sound. But in both words, H is silent when we pronounce these words. H is silent. We pronounce this word as R. And we pronounce this word as honest. H is silent in both words. So, because of its sound R, A comes in vowel. And honest, O comes in vowel sound. So that we will write an before these words, like an, are, and honest. As it is, students, in these words, uniform and unicorn. Its beginning letter is U and U comes in vowel sound. But in both words, we pronounce both words as uniform and unicorn, not unicorn. And here sound comes in consonant. Y sound is ya and ya comes in consonant. So that before these words we will use A as a article. A uniform, A unicorn. Now student, we will do some sentences for our practice. So students, take out your extra notebook. We will do some sentences based on articles in our extra notebook. Student, in your notebook, write down the heading article, ARTICLES, articles, in this margin portion. Do you know what is margin portion? This portion is called margin portion. And write down today's date with CW. Okay student? Now we will start writing our sentences that are based on articles. And what are articles? A, an. Now write down number 1 sentence. Lily, 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 put dash egg, egg, in dash pot of boiling, B-O-I-L-I-N-G, boiling water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Now look at number 2 sentence. We saw, S-A-W, saw, dash, zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, and dash, elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, at the zoo, full stop. Now write down number 3 sentence. My father baked, B-A-K-E-D, baked, dash, chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate, cake, C-A-K-E, cake, F-O-R, for, U-S, us. Now write down number 4 sentence. Sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, Sunny, helped, H-E-L-P-E-D, helped, dash, old man, carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry, his bag, B-A-G-S, bags, full stop. Now write down our next sentence, sentence number 5. Pankaj, P-A-N-K-A-J, Pankaj is dash, honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest, boy, B-O-Y, boy. Now look at number 6 sentence. Rima, R-I-M-A, Rima, leaves, L-I-V-E-S, leaves, in, dash, igloo, I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Do you know, student, what is igloo? Igloo is a type of a house in which people are living in the cold places. Now write down our sentence number 7. Dash, old woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman, baked, B-A-K-E-D, baked, dash, big, B-I-G, big, pan, cake, P-A-N, pan, C-A-K-E, cake, full stop. Now write down our sentence number 8. Aman is driving, D-R-I-V-I-N-G, driving, dash, car. Now students, we will solve these sentences with a and an. Now look at its first sentence. Lily put dash egg in dash pot of boiling water. Now look at this word egg. Eggs begin with E and E is a vowel, so that we will write here N, A-N-N. And as we know that E is a vowel, and before the vowels we use an article. Now look at this word pot. Student, P. P has a consonant sound, so that we will write here A pot. Okay? Now look at number 2 sentence. We saw dash zebra and dash elephant at the zoo. Now look at this word zebra, and zebra has a consonant sound. Look, this letter comes in the consonant and it has a consonant sound. So that here we will use A article. A zebra. Now look at this word elephant. Elephant begins with E sound and E comes in vowel. So that before elephant we use this article A-N-N. An article. An elephant. Now look at number 3 sentence. My father baked dash chocolate cake for us. Now look at this word chocolate. Chocolate word has a consonant sound. Look, it starts with C and C comes in consonant. So that we add before this word chocolate the article A. Means my father baked a chocolate cake for us. Now student, look at number 4 sentence. Sunny helped dash. Sunny helped dash old man carry his bags. Now look at this word old. Old begins with vowel sound. Look at this letter comes in vowel. So before this vowel sound we use this article an. So we will write here an old man. Now look at our number 5 sentence. Pankaj is dash honest boy. Look at this word. This word has a consonant sound. This letter comes in consonant H. H comes in consonant. Look student, this word comes in consonant H. But look student, this letter comes in consonant. But this word, in this word H is silent. We called this word honest. Honest. O and O is and O has a and O is a vowel and it has a vowel sound. So before this word we will use this article an honest boy. Now look at number 6 sentence. Rima lives in dash igloo. Rima lives in dash igloo. Now look at this word. This word begins with vowel sound. It begins with I letter and I comes in vowel. So we will write before this word an article. Means Rima lives in an igloo. Now student, look at number 7 sentence. Dash old woman baked dash big pancake. Now look at this word. This word begins with vowel sound, and with the vowel sound we will write an article. So we will write here an old woman baked dash big. Now look at this word. This word begins with consonant sound b, big. So we will write here this article A. Now look at our sentence number 8. Aman is driving dash car. This word begins with consonant sound. It has this letter C. C comes in consonant. So we will write before this word a car. So we will write here a article. Okay student? So students, these are some sentences based on our articles a or an. Hope you will write these sentences. Hope you would have write these sentences in very beautiful handwriting in your extra notebook. So till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care. Be safe and stay home